The best coffee to drink in 2021. How many times do you rush to add a coffee bean to your cart, thinking it the best coffee to drink in 2021? Is it the brand name to captivate you? Indeed, not it's the taste, you'll agree. Thus, your search for the best flavor is not about the coffee brand, but the quality of taste. To help you add more intimacy to your caffeine to crazy taste buds, we've got you a top-tier quality coffee beans in this video. Let's see which is the excellent coffee. The best coffee types. Can you recall the taste of coffee you love the most? It can be mild and complex or the strongest. Yet, is there any difference? Yes, there is. Therefore, before exploring the best coffee to drink in 2021 for the taste and quality, it's inevitable to know about the basic types of coffee. Coffee Arabica. On your coffee beans packaging, the captivating word you often see is the 100% Arabica. Commercial intent only. However, it can fascinate every coffee darling. Yes, the coffee Arabica is the premium type of coffee. It claims its supremacy for its sweet, fruity, and nutty taste with a mysterious complexity and less caffeine of 1.2 to 1.5%. You can hardly tell how it tastes like. It's dreamy. Coffee Robusta. It's the second popular type of coffee. With the highest caffeine content, it's more bitter and has the taste of a burnt peanut. For the strength of 2.2 to 2.7% caffeine, your instant or espresso coffees mostly accommodate the Robusta coffee beans. Besides this, in your coffee beans pack, you'll get a mix of Robusta beans to add intensity to the taste, or to fill and earn revenue. Besides the primary two species of coffee, you can also get more options for your health friendliness. So, your coffee can also be organic or inorganic. The best coffee. Quality of taste. It's not about the brand. We're going to unearth what gets you the superb coffee. The labels of Ethiopia, Colombia, Kenya tell you more about the actual worth of the beans you'll drink. So, here is the best coffee to drink in 2021 worldwide with less care about the production volume, but the quality of taste. 1. Citrusy Ethiopian coffee beans. You don't care how much acidity or caffeine the coffee Arabica will serve you with, but the taste. The Arabica coffee from the ancient forefathers of coffee is incredible. The Ethiopian taste specialty includes citrusy, fruity sweet, and sour, acidic flavor with a balance of caffeine. You need not taste it. The scent will mesmerize you right inside the brewing machine. 2. Floral Colombian coffee. With an established air of authority in the coffee industry, it's not only the magnitude of the production that lets Colombian coffee stand prominently, but the taste as well. The quality coffee beans for the Colombian farms fill your every coffee mug with a floral taste. Furthermore, the Colombian Arabica beans are less acidic. Hence, they're for you if you have some digestive intolerance for coffee. 3. Fruity to cocoa Guatemalan coffee beans. Have you already tasted the Ethiopian taste specialty? The coffee from Guatemala can bring you a delightful mix of cocoa and fruit flavor. Thus, you'll feel like having sips from Ethiopian coffee infused with cocos. However, you might fail to define its fresh and robust taste perfectly. Still irresistible once tasted. Perhaps the Antigua volcanic name for the Guatemala beans fits the taste description better. 4. Mocha coffee from Yemen. Nobody stops you from trying Yemeni coffee if you want a pure winey to chocolatey taste in your coffee. From morning drink to a party serving, it is all about one more for me. Most of the coffee makers hardly count on Yemeni coffee for production sway. Yet, when it's the taste, coffee from Yemen is among the top unique flavors. 5. Elite Jamaican coffee. You know what, it's the luxury I want to fill in my mouth with the coffee. If you're open to spending more, then add the Jamaican coffee to your table. The coffee of aristocrats is famous for its soft and mystic taste. The coffee processing follows strict standards to maintain its even and expensive taste. Your 1000th cup tastes like the first. 6. The sweet and spicy El Salvador coffee. Have you tried spices in your coffee? With no added spices during the coffee processing, the El Salvador coffee bells carry much honey and spices in the taste. Your nose can also pick that aroma. Overall, the coffee from El Salvador is not very acidic. Thus, it's balanced and smooth. So, it's the most suitable for your health as well. 7. The Costa Rica coffee. What do we have for the fans of hand-picked coffee? The tropical heaven of the coffee beans in Costa Rica cultivates one of the world's superb tasting coffee. The hand-picked coffee beans meet well to defined standards of processing. Thus, they bring you a fantastic taste of flora. Don't confuse it with that of Ethiopian coffee. It's different. Final thoughts. The taste and quality of the coffee are more important than how much coffee a country produces. Among the coffee-bringing countries, those with the taste of mastery always have the edge over others. So, next time, when you add a coffee back to your shopping list, make sure it matches your taste preference as well. Thus, you'll not regret buying it when you need the best coffee to drink in 2021. Likewise, you can also plan a trip to visit these wonderlands of coffee to experience more freshness in your cup. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our information. If yes, please push like button and subscribe in our Info Coffee channel to watch more interested information about coffee. If not, please leave for us a comment to understand more your needs. Info Coffee channel, all about coffee.